Hi viewers, welcome to another episode of Flavors from Nikki's Kitchen with Nikita S. Prabhu. In today's episode, I am sharing the recipe of cheesy stuffed mushrooms. So this is the perfect recipe if you are hunting for a starter recipe and it tastes really fantastic. Now let's take a look at the recipe. Alright, so now let's begin with the recipe. So to start the recipe, first we need 200 grams of button mushrooms. So make sure you use a bigger size of mushrooms because we need to stuff them. Alright. So now what we need to do is, so this is the stem part. So what we need to do is, we need to break this gently. Something like this. Let's keep it aside. Now we'll take a spoon and now we need to scoop this out. I mean the black material out. So be very gentle when you do this procedure. So basically something like this, and now let's keep it here. Similarly, I'll show you how to do the another one. You would notice I have already scooped out all the black portion of the mushroom. Alright, so now let's keep this aside, and now the stem part, so basically we need to cut it like this. So we are going to use it in our recipe. Subscribe to Flavors from Nikki's Kitchen and hit the bell icon. Do follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you so much. Till then, cook unique in a smarter way. Now let's take a look at the stuffing required to make this cheesy mushrooms. So for that, here I have heated about 1 tablespoon of oil. So once the oil is nicely hot, let's go ahead and add 1 big onion which is finely chopped. And now let's saute it just for about a minute. So basically we do not need it to make it more golden brown. Let's add about 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste. Now goes in half a tomato chopped. So this is finely chopped tomatoes. Let's mix this also well. To this we'll add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, followed by 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns, and we'll give it a mix. Next goes in the stems of mushroom. So this is basically half a cup. So make sure whenever you do this, whenever you saute this, you always saute it on a high flame. Mushroom already contains water and we don't need the mixture to be watery. To this I am adding about 1/4 cup of cheese. So this is basically grated cheese, followed by some coriander leaves, and we'll mix it nicely. Now we'll add some salt to taste, and followed by a batch of Italian seasoning. So this is basically mixed herbs. Well, now our stuffing is ready. Now we'll allow it to rest for just about 1 minute. Alright, so now I'm going to switch to a spoon, and now let's grab some of the stuffing, and now we are going to add the stuffing to the mushroom. We'll take a mushroom and now we'll add this stuffing to this. Yeah. Something like this. Now let's top our mushrooms with some cheese. So I'm using here processed cheese. So make sure you add a good amount of cheese. followed by some coriander leaves. Well, now let's cook our mushrooms. So for that, here I've added about 1.5 tablespoon of oil. So we need to cook these mushrooms on medium to high heat because mushrooms already contain water. I mean a good amount of water. So if you cook it on a low flame, then in that case the mushroom might release the water and then it would be like full watery. Alright, so in order to avoid the situation, let's cook it on a medium to high flame. So now we'll add our mushrooms to the pan. The heat is now medium and we'll cook the mushroom by closing it with a lid for about 2 to 3 minutes. Well, now it has been 3 minutes. You would notice the cheese have also melted very nicely. Awesome. So now let's turn off the heat. Our cheesy stuffed mushroom is ready and I have served this starter dish along with some tomato ketchup. It tastes really fantastic. So if you guys like this recipe, do give this recipe a try. Also like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Till then, cook unique in a smarter way.